Continuing our Rolling Thunder, Coastal Fever, Rolling Blackouts, Coastal Fever Marathon. This one's called French Press, and trying to do something a little different with the video format, so let me know if you like it. I'm trying to do like a little more, show you a little more of my process. Of like making these videos. These guys use a phaser guitar pedal on the main guitar. That's what you're hearing with that kind of swirling sound. That's a phaser. I didn't put it on my guitar because I'm just too lazy. This song is kind of trippy. It's probably not a great beginner song either because alright, the main guitar is playing this. Okay, that's a D major 7. Very closely related to that is this F minor, F sharp minor. So this is F sharp minor, and this is D major 7. So they're very similar. Like here, you can play it. This is a D major 7, and then this is a F minor, F sharp minor. All right, so they're very close sounds, and they had 3. You know, when I saw them play it, they had 3 guitars. So some of them may be playing. They may be playing one guitar, may be playing like the D major 7, and the other playing the F sharp minor at the same time. Okay, but in any case, you could just play a D major, would be fine. But a D major 7 would be better. On the verse. I think what they're doing is going from that F. This is the D major. Then they just drop the D off it and play the F sharp minor. So D major, F sharp minor, and then they go to E major, and then back to D major. Playing the 2 chords right in this same position. I'm at the 9th fret. Okay, and we played the high E. Get this up here. On the 9. Played the B at the 10. The G at the 11. And then the D at the 12. Then we dropped our pinky, and now we just play the top 3. And then so that's also right there. And then we play the E at the 7th root notice on your 5th string, 7th fret. You could even just hit the A shape. But again, there's 3 guitars, so they're all playing this in different positions. Like you might have one playing down here. I know the acoustic is playing what the acoustic is playing, just the D, and then it might be playing. Okay, you're there, just going from F sharp minor to D major. Okay, and we do that just by barring the first 3 frets on the 2nd string. And then for D major, we just play open D. And then for the F sharp, we play the D string at the 3rd fret, which is the F sharp in the bass. Okay, and you can just get your open E right here. That's pretty much the whole song. Okay, and it's good we talk about these chords being related, because then when we talk about the scales to play the lead lines, it kind of makes more sense that way. Like they're playing the F sharp minor. That's what they're playing for the lead. Okay, and so at the 2nd fret you can play 2 5 on the low E, 2 4 on the A, 2 4 on the D, 2 4 on the G. You can play 2 3 and 5 on the B, and then 2 5 on the high E. The G string, you can play the 1st fret. And then the open D you can play. You can play the F sharp minor up here at the 10th fret, but your root is now on the A string. So up there it's 9/12. So up here it's 9/12 on the A string, 9/11, 9/11, 9. You can play 10 and 12, and then 9/12 on the high E. Like this note on the 10th fret on the B string is in the melody. So that's where they're playing these lead lines, and what they're doing is they're using F sharp as the relative minor of the of the A. Yeah. So A, you could also play the A major scale, like a. You can play the A major scale, but I'm playing a F minor as the relative minor of A major. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.